N8N.
N8N.
N8N work.
N8N.
N8N. No coding skills are
No code.
Have zero coding experience.
To make money.
Make money online.
Make money with AI.
AI automations.
Everyone is saying now that AI agent is the future. AI automation is the future. Some YouTubers even promise you that you can make money while you are sleeping with no code, no experience. Just click this, drag that, and boom! Now you are an AI agency. But here's the truth. I'm a smart home business owner. I love automation, be it at home or in office, business, and mainly because I'm lazy. But even with a developer background, N8N still took me a week to build something truly useful. So let me show you how I really got started and how you can do that too, minus all this hype. If you have not met, this is Mike here. I run a smart home company. I automate stuff for clients and for myself, right? Like the scenes in this office. When I reach home with my Tesla, the automation happens. I love all of that. But lately, I've been diving into another kind of automation, business automation, where I use it to automate my quotation creations. When supplier sends me an invoice, sent to my personal AI agent, it will be uploaded to a particular folder. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. All these are running quietly in the background with this tool called N8N. And if you have not heard about it, N8N is a powerful open source alternative to tools like Zapier, Make.com, right? You just use drag and drop to create workflows, API integrations, webhooks, even AI tools, all in one place. The best of all, if you host it on your own, which I do that too, then it's free. I use an old MacBook Pro with a broken screen, so I repurposed the MacBook Pro to be my N8N server. And if you are not comfortable in running Docker, Linux command, and managing your own server, you can pay like 20 USD per month to have N8N host everything for you. It's actually a more straightforward way to have your own N8N instance. N8N is marketed as a no-code tool, but it's not easy if you have not done any logic-based workflow or little bit of programming here and there, right? Like I shared before, as a software developer, I still took around a week to build a workflow that works for me. Maybe I'm older, or maybe I learn slower now. The point is, this stuff takes effort. You know what learning N8N reminds me of? Helping smart home customers. So, after doing smart home for all these years, I kind of group them into three types. The first group, they always message me and say, hey, can you change the scene for me? These folk just want things to work. No questions, no app, no chat GPT, just make it happen. And there's another group say, hey, can you give me a video or example? They are curious, but only if they're guided. A little tutorial, a sample, and they're good to go. The third category, hey, I googled this, I tried this, I'm stuck. Any tips? Right? They are the real DIY folks. They roll up their sleeves and just need a little push to get things started. I'll be honest with you. If you're picking up N8N, you really need to be in at least group 2 or group 3. Because while N8N look like no code, once you start working with HTTP requests, API keys, and even databases, you're going to struggle a little bit. So if you're watching YouTubers flexing AI agents, lead machines, whispering about passive income while sipping coffee, just to let you know, most of them are better at selling the idea than walking the walk. There's something I call the guru paradox. Most of the people teaching you how to master N8N or AI or automation, well, their business is not teaching you. Not using these tools to solve actual business problems. Their practice is selling advice. Nothing wrong with that. I'm a YouTube too. I want views, I want growth, but let's don't pretend that sexy demo means real world mastery. So let's ground this in something really practical. Here's what I suggest. Just go to N8N Cloud to try first, right? Just log in and try building. Create your own first workflow. Build a simple webhook trigger and a Telegram or email node. And also, if you need some free resources, I recommend looking at N8N free resources. They are seriously helpful and no upsell traps, even though he also sells courses. So to get started with N8N, and maybe you really want to build your own AI agency, right? I don't have experience, but I'm coming from a business owner point of view. If you're not a business owner and you're not running any business yet, here's my advice. Find someone who is. Ask them about the problems they want to solve and help them solve it. Solve it for them for free. And this is where you build your skills, confidence, and eventually monetize this path. Not from theory, from practice. And N8N has huge potential. I use it daily. But don't fall for shortcuts. Automation is like a compound interest. The small stuff you solve now adds up. Start with one pain point. Automate that, then build on it. This is how I did it. And I'm still learning. But if this video helped you reset your expectation and get inspired to actually build, please give it a like. Maybe even drop a comment with what workflow you're thinking about. So if you're someone who can configure your smart home without pulling your hair out, you got the right mindset to learn N8N. Once again, this is Mike signing out. Subscribe for more honest tech and automation